Where does it come from, ADHD or ADD?
Well, it's genetic.
Okay.
It's clearly genetic. I mean, if I don't see it in someone's family, I think head trauma.
Is it a defect or is it a difference?
It's a difference.
If I chose to take a drug, what exactly would it do to my brain? So if I scanned my brain and took the drug, what would you see in my brain?
Well, I can tell you, it would activate your cerebellum.
Okay, the bit that was a bit sleepy.
It was a bit sleepy, and it would activate your prefrontal cortex. It would give your brain better energy. So my first SPECT scan, 1991, a woman, she tried to kill herself the night before. I went to the lecture on brain SPECT imaging, and then I walked out of the lecture, and she was my new patient. Her name was Sandy. She tried to kill herself the night before. And as I'm getting to know her, I'm thinking she has ADD. She has an 8-year-old son who has ADD, talked about the genetic connection. She had an IQ of 144, but never finished college. And I'm like, how'd you study? She said, well, I never really did, except maybe the night before a test, I'd put on a pot of coffee, stay up all night cramming, and then I'd take the test. That's a classic ADD way of doing things. And I'm like, I think maybe you have adult ADD. And she goes, oh, adults don't have ADD. And I'm thinking, I'm the doctor. But I'm like, how about if we look at your brain? And when she tried to concentrate, her brain completely deactivated, turned off. A couple of days later, I put the picture on the table in front of her. And as I explained it to her, she started to cry. And she said, you mean it's not my fault? And I said, having ADD is sort of like people who need glasses. And I wear glasses to drive, and took my glasses out, put them on. And I said, people who wear glasses aren't dumb, crazy, or stupid. Our eyeballs are shaped funny. And we wear glasses to focus. I said, people have ADD aren't dumb, crazy, or stupid. Some of them are the brightest people I know. But their frontal lobes deactivate. Taking the medicine is like glasses for your frontal lobes. Help you focus. And she did it. She was conflict driven. She was always poking her husband. They got into a huge fight, which is why she tried to kill herself. She stopped that. She's a better mom. She went back and finished college. I mean, her life's, it's like your brain with glasses.